nga natin sa likod. Ngayon lang tayo nakakita ng ganito. Ka-star-studded, ganito ka-shine na bright like a diamond.
Ay, Rihanna, talagang sinasabayan natin kanina at sinare din sa atin ni Miss Yayo kanina na first time niya daw gawin ito, di ba?
Totoo yan. Talaga namang what a stunning runway. Maraming salamat sa lahat po ng ating mga amazing models and celebrities for bringing Maddox the vision to life.
That is so right, partner. Grabe talaga. I'm still recovering talaga, ha? Grabe. Sobrang overwhelming yung experience natin na ito. Talaga naman, the confidence, the charisma, the sparkle, parang lahat sila talaga, di ba? My friend, may sariling breath machine, di ba?
Totoo, tamang-tama ka dyan, Ate Bubay. Every step was on point. Every look was a statement. Maddox really knows how to showcase elegance with attitude.
That is so right, my friend. Kaya marami pa kayong aabangan maya-maya lang. Kaya dyan lang kayo, di ba? Walang aalis, my friend. Alam naman natin na marami pang sorpresa. Iba talaga si Ma'am Cha, di ba, my friend? When it comes to surprises, siya yung number one dyan, di ba, my friend?
Totoo yan, Ate Bubay. Alam mo, ang sarap-sarap na makita. Isa nga sa nasabi ko talaga, nag-uusap kami ni Diane kanina sa likod.
At alam mo, pinagdadaanan natin ngayon.
Totoo, diba? Sabi ko kay Diane, at saka kay Diane Medina, at saka syempre kay Diane, sabi ko, grabe no, si Miss Charo lang ang makakagawa ng pagrampa ng iba't ibang mga celebrities. Kaya naman, mga kaibigan, let's give a round of applause to Maddox Jewelry!
Yes, especially to Ma'am Cha, of course, at sa mga magpo-post sa kanilang mga social media account. Siyempre, don't forget to put our hashtag Maddox Jewelry, di ba? And now, Maddox Jewelry family, it's time for a very special moment. We would like to honor someone whose guidance, support, and inspiration have made a remarkable impact on Maddox.
She is a respected figure in the Philippine entertainment industry, known for her sharp eye for talent, strong leadership, and unwavering dedication as a talent manager.
And with decades of experience shaping the careers of many of the country's brightest stars, she has also become a style icon in her own right. Celebrated for her bold fashion choices, timeless elegance, and love for fine jewelry.
Her presence tonight brings not only prestige to our event, but also embodies the confidence, sophistication, and empowered spirit that Maddox Jewelry stands for. Please join us in giving a heartfelt round of applause as we welcome on stage our very own Miss Annabelle Rana.
It was just two lovers sitting in the car, listening to blonde, falling for each other. Picking orange skies, feeling super childish, no Donald Glover. Missed call from my mother, like where you at tonight? Got no alibi, I was all alone with the love of my life. She's got glitter for skin, my radiant beat in the night. I don't need no light to see you. It's your
Good evening, everyone. A huge thank you to all our gorgeous celebrities and incredible models for bringing the collection to life. To all our guests and friends who are here tonight, I know you are all busy. Thank you for making time in your schedule for us. This event wouldn't have been possible without the timeless effort of our entire team. Clap your hands. To my family, my husband, my parents, Thank you for an endless support and love. Maddox Jewelry is built not just for profit, but caring for other people's dream. We are a small business before, but because of the trust of our customers, we now grown into a larger company, serving affordable diamond jewelry locally and internationally. Again, thank you everyone for joining us tonight. For more blessings and happiness, I would like to ask everyone if you could join me for a toast. Can you please stand? Yeah?